Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Bamya is a Middle Eastern stew prepared using tender baby okra and tomatoes. We will first prepare Baharat, a special spice blend used in this recipe. To a mixing bowl, add coriander powder, ground black pepper, ground cumin, ground cinnamon, clove powder, and allspice blend. Mix well and store in an airtight container for up to 3 months. This spice blend can be used for many recipes. This is the easy version of making this recipe. If you have more time, you can dry roast the ingredients and then make the spice blend. Ingredients needed to make bamia: baby okra, chopped tomatoes, chopped onion, boiled chickpea, heat a pan with about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add in the finely chopped cilantro and garlic and infuse in hot oil for a minute. Add onion and fry for 3 to 5 minutes. Once onions are sautéed well, add in the baby okra and sauté. Add salt for taste. Baharat spice blend, chopped tomatoes, boiled chickpea, and about 1/2 cup of water. Gently mix. Add finely chopped cilantro. Here's the chef's secret. To make this recipe even more amazing, you should definitely add fresh tender cilantro to enhance the flavors. Cover and cook on medium heat for about 25 to 30 minutes. In between, make sure to stir once every 5 minutes. Finally, add more chopped tender cilantro and mix well. Transfer to a serving dish and serve hot with pilaf or bazlama, a soft and fluffy Turkish bread.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!